Well, you guys, thanks for tuning in. I'm Gray Shot Down on the Sticks alongside Doggone Sci-Fi behind the wheel. We're going to take you on another full self-drive 11.4.7 aerial perspective video. This is a new development that's not mapped yet, so we're going to have to do a bit of manual driving to get back on the road here and re-engage FSD.
So it doesn't know where we are. I was reading on X, people talking about the stocks going away.
Oh, stocks versus stockless?
Yeah.
Well, you drive the Model 3 more than you drive the Model S. What do you think?
Oh, this is so much easier.
I much prefer stockless.
I do too.
I think the stocks are dumb.
I won't have stocks in the truck, right?
Nope. Alright, go for it. And we're off.
Oh, Creative Homes. Oh yeah, that was today. I don't know why I keep forgetting about Creative Homes this year.
It's because none of the homes this year were that like, wow.
They're all Titan Homes, Project Homes.
They're all they're standard built homes, nothing custom like they used to be.
I remember when we first started, they were custom built homes.
Slow down for what? Sorry.
Trash can looked a little sus.
Slow down for what?
Okay, does it think that that's a child? Nope, we're good. Didn't even see him.
Did it even map them?
Nope.
Interesting.
Which I appreciate, because that means, you know,
Yeah,
it's not going to phantom break
that's true.
for rent. Oh, there was nothing out here.
Mm-hmm.
What, 2 years ago?
Yeah.
So excited to teach that financial lesson to my students.
You're gonna have to let me know how that one goes.
I'm not in charge of the curriculum. I haven't seen it yet, so I'm curious what it looks like.
Yeah, better video game tonight.
Good. He cuts the corner like you do, like me.
Yeah, seriously.
Notice offending land use. Oh, I bet you they're going to build out that way.
Yeah, makes sense.
That you spell orchards.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's how you get to the house. Sure.
Whee!
Bump-a-da-bump. Oh.
That trailer looks suspicious.
It's sus now, sir.
Is this water sanitary? It looks questionable to me.
Look at that trash can hanging out. Up to no good. I did not slow it down. It slowed itself down.
To what?
27.
Oh, okay. It's probably actually what it is through this area.
Probably. Oh, we're at Badger Mountain. Okay, I know where we are. I like climbing Badger Mountain.
I've done a few drives through this area.
I remember I did the trick or treat thing here a couple of years ago. I got that cool shirt that glows in the dark.
Nice.
Alright. This was a parade at home one year. Before I knew you, I went with my mom. They had a TV over the bathtub.
I saw that when I went to Australia.
You don't have to stop. Love tap, baby, love tap. Doing good?
Yeah.
Because here would be the place to stop. The mega church.
Yep. But no, I'm fine.
I liked how they did Chefs on Parade that year, where they just had all the food trucks come.
Yeah, that's cool.
Right? Remember that? That was I liked that. And then you went and toured the homes.
Mm-hmm.
I felt less weird about eating food in like a brand new home. Good.
It's even easier to see which cars are, like, identify the other cars.
Yep.
Like, that was a Mach-E that just passed by, and I was able to identify that from my screen.
Mm-hmm.
Huh. Well, I don't know why I didn't think about making that change sooner.
Live and learn. Then get loans. Remember that?
Well, I think there was a comment one time, not a Tesla YouTuber, but just a content creator. I was basically saying how
Try to get the right lane.
if you're not constantly improving on every video, you're not growing.
Yep.
And I was like, that's true. I've basically changed something minor, and probably something that no one would catch if they were following it every video, but something that I would see. I was like, I agree with that. Hopefully that made sense.
Well, I think that's at the end of the day what matters too. It's like it's your video, what makes you happy.
I think we should always strive to be improving.
That was like the phrase from Big Bang Theory. If you have time to lean, you have time to clean. There you go.
You're right.
If you have time to whine, you have time to improve.
I was losing you in the frame there a little bit.
Sorry. You want me to slow down?
No. You're fine. It was me. I was trying to compensate for the stoplight while not slowing down too much.
Doing like the trucker stuff.
Yes, I was doing the I was doing the appropriate airborne roll. Well, you guys, if you are liking the content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm Gray Shot Down on the Sticks alongside Doggone Sci-Fi behind the wheel, and this has been another full self-drive 11.4.7. I had to remember what the number is at this point. 11.4.7 aerial perspective video. Thanks for tuning in, and if
what?
Well, I already said if you are liking the content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I would have been repetitive.
Oh, okay. Just in case you didn't hear it the first time.
Yes.
All right. Queen's Gate looks a little busy, so do you just trust me to
Yeah,
find
yeah.
a spot? Okay.
Like in the back of the gym or something is fine.
That's where I'm going.
Yep. Sometimes when I say that, I feel like the late Bob Barker with Spade and Neuter Your Pets. Bob Barker was a lot like Ed Sheeran, in the sense that everybody likes Ed Sheeran.